like to the cloud itself. Oh.
Say that again?
Hey?
It wasn't recording. Go again.
What do you mean?
Just talk.
Do you see that funnel from the clouds extending down? Holy shit, is there a side road down there? Alright, look at it now, babe, over the field. You see it? Down here? Go right for those silos. Holy crap.
You think we're safe enough away?
It's headed that way, babe. We're gonna go down Putnam Road and down to the golf. It's headed down to the golf course. Come on. What happened to the other first one? It's gone, I guess.
That's it.
There was two before.
Oh.
Looks like it's dying.
We're on Avon Road looking south towards the... What's the golf course called?
I don't know.
Waga. It's gone?
Yeah, it's pretty much dissipated.